You can do it. You can cloth diaper. I know you can, and I'm going to tell you how. Keep watching. Hey, I'm Jamie, the creator of ClothCuties.com, a site designed to encourage you to cloth diaper your baby. From an infant through the toddler years, I've got the tips and tricks you need to simplify your cloth diapering experience. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Hey, how you guys doing? And welcome to all my new subscribers. Well, from the beginning of that video, you might have thought I had a few days as a cheerleader. And I did not. My mom never let me be a cheerleader because she thought the uniforms were too short. However, I have still found a way to put all that energy to good use, and I'm cheerleading you to help you make a cloth diapering decision. One of the things that I am so passionate about, as you guys already know, is getting people to make the decision for cloth diapering. As I've done my research and talked to so many moms, it is clear to me that knowledge and having access to knowledge is one of the biggest roadblocks of cloth diapering. Many moms don't cloth diaper simply because they don't know how. In this day and age, that is a hurdle that we can definitely cross together. Knowledge and having access to knowledge is no longer a big deal. Just think about it. Here I am on Al Gore's internet telling you about my cloth diapering experience to empower yours. The knowledge is out there. And I think back to my days when I was first getting started in cloth diapering, and even before my baby was born, I was researching the mess out of cloth diapering. And there are only a few moms on YouTube that were just talking about cloth diapering in general. My first child was born in 2014, so I spent a good portion of that. I had decided that I was going to cloth diaper about 6 months before that. But at that time, there were not that many moms out here talking about cloth diapering, and certainly there weren't that many that looked like me. So I have come to know and understand that moms probably would do more cloth diapering if they understood how to use it and understood the benefits. There is no space now in 2021 for moms to have to feel like they have to cloth diaper alone. Not only are there so many online communities about cloth diapering, but you have cloth diapering podcasts, you have YouTube, of course, but you also have moms who are making the community look more representative, like me and other cloth diapering moms that are on Instagram, TikTok, all kinds of social media to help moms feel more comfortable with a cloth diaper choice. I do still feel like there is a big gap, a big lack of knowledge, because let's face it, 95% of moms still choose disposable diapers. However, how much could we cut into that and make a better choice for our earth, for our babies, all of these things, all these trickle-down things that could be impacted if more moms, A, knew about cloth diapering and then made a choice to do it. That's why these communities are so important. And now that we have more established communities, we just need to all be open-armed, ready to receive people, and not be such a judgmental cloth diapering community. I am convinced that we can bring more moms into the cloth diapering fold if we just empower them through knowledge. Flat out, period. So, in order to do this, I'm going to add a blog post to go along with this video on my channel where I'm going to put my top 5 cloth diapering resources that I think can help you move the needle to making a decision for cloth diapering. And that's all, y'all. That's all I wanted to say today. I just want you to feel empowered. I want you to feel like you're not alone. There's a community there that's willing to support you along your cloth diapering journey. You can do this. Yes, you can. Say it. Say it with me. I can do this. You can cloth diaper. It's not as bad, stinky, nasty, or any of that you might think. But you only understand that through an increased level of knowledge. So that's why you got me. Well, guys, that wraps up this week's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Drop me a comment below and tell me your thoughts. Did anything resonate with you? Is there anything that sparked interest that I said today? Make sure you drop it in the comments below. And if you have questions, if you're a new mama, especially to our channel, and you have questions about cloth diapering, drop them below. I will answer your questions and make sure that you feel embraced and invited into this community, because that's what we need. That's what's going to shift our planet. Well, there's a whole bunch of other factors with that. Y'all know that's a big deal. So I'm going to wrap this up. As always, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. And head over to clothcuties.com where I have a special blog post for you. And there's more content to help you simplify your cloth diapering experience. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.